Namaste Viewers. Today this video is specially created for the yoga which is very soon going to appear, and I want that you all will get a maximum benefit out of it. What is that yoga is there? This is a Guru Saturn spiritual yoga. It is called Adhyatmic yoga. Very soon my video about the Jupiter in the Capricorn will be appeared, but this is a special yoga in between that I have abstracted, and I thought this is a very important time. This is a right time to inform my viewers that you should get the maximum benefit out of it when this yoga will appear. See, Jupiter Saturn is creating the spiritual yoga, Adhyatmic yoga. There are two spiritual yoga is there. One is a Sun Jupiter spiritual yoga, where you can able to see the real spirituality or which comes outside. Then another spiritual yoga is happened with the Jupiter Saturn, where the Saturn possesses the knowledge within. It is own practice. See, like a Sun and Jupiter, they will practice others. They become a guru and their disciple they will give. Whereas Jupiter Saturn, they themselves prefer for themselves. They do spirituality for themselves. They don't propagate, practice. They only practice. They don't propagate or spread their knowledge. They do within them. So this best yoga is going to appear, that Jupiter and Saturn spiritual yoga. So to get the maximum benefit, what you will do? First of all, we'll see how and when it is going to happen. On 20th of November 2020, the Jupiter is entering into the Capricorn sign. The Saturn is already seated in his own house, Swagrahi, and Jupiter is going to enter. Now it is a debilitated sign for Jupiter. We all know that Capricorn is a debilitated sign, but when the debilitated planet seated with the exalted planet or own sign planet, it is a Neech bhang Rajyo. This is going to happen, Neech bhang Rajyo. So best time where those who are facing financial problem, social problem, marital problem, child related problem, they will get solution. That is why I am saying that this is the best time you will get ever. You might have seen the Barack Obama chart. He is having a Capricorn ascendant with the Jupiter and Saturn in the ascendant. See, now many have many charts. But what I have seen is that he himself was not aware that one day he will become the president of a country, of a superpower, worldwide superpower, American president he will going to become. So that is the Jupiter and Saturn, Neech bhang Rajyo, where you are too deep you will come up. So this yoga is going to happen, Jupiter Saturn. So 20th of November to 5th April, they both will be sharing the same sign Capricorn. And then again 15 September 2021 to 21 November 2021, they will again both will be sharing the Capricorn sign. In between there is a retrograde and motion will be there. So here you have to note, on 20th of November 2020 to 5th April 2021, this is a Jupiter Saturn, both a Neech bhang Rajyog will be there. And 15 September 2021 till 21st November 2021, the Jupiter Saturn will be sharing the same Capricorn sign. So Neech bhang Rajyog will happen. So precise to this, I have calculated the degree Kali conjunction. This is a very important. I don't know whether others give the right dates or not, but I always share the right date to my viewers so that they get the maximum benefit. 16 December this year, 16 December 2020 to 29th December 2020, that 14 days window. 16 December 2021 to 29th December 2020, this year only. That 14 days, Jupiter and Saturn will be exactly same degree, 5 degree, 6 degree and 7 degree. This is going to happen in the Uttarshada Nakshatra, which is the Sun Nakshatra. So very, very powerful. Both the yoga, both the highest planet will be going to sit in the Sun, and we'll see how the result will be there. In D9, in their D9 also they will be in the Sagittarius, Capricorn and this. So that beautiful things are going to happen. You should look at to that things and use that maximum. Now, that is a double benefit of a Jupiter Saturn. Do you like to add one more planet? Yeah. On 14th January 2021, in next year after 3 months, 14th January 2021 to 12th February 2021, will be a triple U. Sun, Saturn, Jupiter, all together in the Capricorn sign. Does it not so powerful? So you will get a double spiritual yoke. Sun and Jupiter create the spiritual yoke. Jupiter and Saturn also create the spiritual yoke. So there are two Jupiter, Saturn and Sun, Saturn, Sun, Jupiter, Adhyatmic yoga will be there, and also Sun, Saturn also will be together. See, in between month, it may be a conversion, it may be open, margi, this all will be there, but they three will be going to share the same sign. Sun, Jupiter and Saturn, 14th January 2021 to 12 February 2021. This is a time where the Sun, Saturn and Jupiter will be together, and people will be, those who people born during that time, best time. Those who can utilize this entire month, that is called Makara Sankranti onward, the best time for the soul to get a higher level. And for spirituality is the best time. For government problem, if you are facing, you can resolve that. Litigation, if you are facing, you can resolve it. Any problem that you are facing financially, socially, marital, social, economical, this all you are going to resolve between this time. Furthermore, I'll be sharing a very, very, very powerful time. It is going to come on 15th September. See, 1 year before I am giving all these things, so you should benefit maximum. Do write that dates. 15th September 2021 to 11th October 2021. What is going to happen between this time? 15th September 2021 to 11th October 2021, Jupiter and Saturn both are in Capricorn sign and both are retrograde. Both are retrograde, so you will get a maximum to maximum benefit of both the planet. Both are sharing Capricorn sign, both are retrograde, and Neech bhang Raj Yoga, Adhyatmic Yoga. What more you want? So this is a time where to manifest Jupiter and Saturn. This is a time to get the maximum benefit from Jupiter and Saturn. Because from motion to retrograde to motion, the Jupiter will enter, and this is a time where the Saturn also is motion to it's also from the direct. So this is the best time of a retrogression period of 15th September 2021 to 11th October 2021. Those who can utilize maximum, they will get maximum result. And those who are planning for plant cesarean, this is the best time to make your child to born. See, we are not a god. Don't think that whatever we plan will happen, but at least in our hand is to do karma. We can do our deeds. Now it's Almighty who will bless you. So both Jupiter and Saturn are same sign, Neech bhang Raj Yoga, and both are retrograde. What maximum you will get result is that time. So I have given all this the 4 different ways. 20th November 2020 to 5th April 2021 and 15th September 2021 to 21st November 2021. Both will be sharing the same sign in the motion. It will be on motion that Jupiter and Saturn will be there. Thereafter, it will be 16 December to 29 December. There is a degree Kali Jupiter and Saturn are joining. Third important I have given Jupiter, Sun and Saturn. Sun, Jupiter and Saturn all together between 14th January 2021 to 12th February 2021. This will be the Sun, Jupiter and Saturn double spiritual yoga, and triple planets are conjuncting. Maybe Venus and Mercury will also join, but that is also best time. And the most powerful is both retrogression 15th September 2021 to 11th October 2021. That Jupiter and Saturn both will be retrograde in Capricorn sign. maximum result you will get. So what more you want? Now we are going to see how it will be benefited for all the ascendant. See, wherever I see speak the Aries sign or ascendant, those having Aries moon, they will face the mental result, and those having the that ascendant, they will get the physical result. Only this is a different mental aspect and physical. Both work parallelly. It's not that only mentally will my moon sign will rule and my ascendant sign will not rule. Both will rule parallelly. Mentally your mind will go that direction, and where the ascendant is there, wherever the Jupiter Saturn is there, it will go in that way. So now, what the result you will be getting in different. So first, Aries. See, for Aries ascendant of Aries moon, they will be conjunct of a Jupiter and Saturn of a 9, 10, 11, 12 house. A best beautiful yoga it is going to happen. See, you know, Jupiter is a 9, 12 Sagittarius and Pisces Lord, and the Saturn is a Capricorn and Aquarius. So this sign comes continuously 9, 10, 11, 12. Jupiter, Saturn, Jupiter, Jupiter, Saturn, Saturn, Jupiter. Right? So between this both the side Jupiter, there is a Saturn inside. Right? So that whichever the ascendant are going to get what result, that we are going to see. First, we'll see what the result Aries will be going. Now for them, there is a 9, 10, 11, 12 house are sitting together in 10th house. Dharma 9th, Artha 10, Kama 11 and Moksha 12. All four lords seated in the 10th house. So whatever related to their luck, religious matters, religious belief, foreign traveling, new deeds, desire fulfillment, social success, and all spiritual path or path to the moksha they can start. This is in the 10th house, so it is the best time for the Aries people to start initiating something which leads to this 9, 10, 11, 12. Best time for the Aries. Never again come for Aries. Go and utilize. Going further for the Taurus, for Taurus ascendant, it will be a lot of 8, 9, 10, 11. Jupiter will be the lord of 8 and 11, and Jupiter, Saturn will be 9, 10. And this yoga will going to happen in 9th house. The best of a yoga karak planet is in the 9th house own sign. So here, whatever the your inner fear is there, that will turn into the your wish. Whatever the fear you possess for your luck and future time, you will get the best result of your future. Plan for your future. Whatever you want for next 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, plan that time. So this is a 9th house, it is going to happen, and your deeds, your wish fulfillment, your social circle, your social success, your fear will come out and gives you good result. So do practice the occult, do all the good deeds, and start any new things that will new venture will give you a very good result. For Taurus also it is good. Next, for the Gemini. For Gemini people, this will be going to happen. This Gemini people are going to face this as a 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10 house. It's a lot of 7th house, 8th house, 9th house and 10th house. Whereas the Jupiter is a Mula Trikon for 7th and 11th house. So it is a good, though those who are wish to get married, it is a good time. So they get a good alliance. Marriage will be happen. This yoga is going to happen in 8th house. That is why people are scared that why what happens to the 8th. So whatever the occult, your anything pending with your inheritance property, that also going to give you result. Marriage related, partnership related, luck related and new deeds related, good decision you will be able to see. You will face a good people in front of you, so that will be also good. And Jupiter Saturn not bad in 8th house, it will increase the inclination of our spirituality. So it's the best for Gemini also. Going to the Cancer, for Cancer ascendant or Cancer moon, it will be a lot of 6, 7, 8, 9. Here it is not the lord of 6 and 8 conjunct in the 7th house. Jupiter being lord of 6th house and Saturn being the lord of 8th house, both are seated in 7th house. So here you will feel get the result of Viparita Raj Yoga also, both are sitting together. It's not a pure Viparita Raj Yoga, don't create dispute. It is just a word I say that it may give the result of a Viparita Raj Yoga. People catch my word, they write so many things in my comment box. At least better I give something good, so at least get whatever you want. So here what happened that a lot of 6, 7, 8 and 9 are together, whereas the more powerful is the 6 and 8 conjunct together. So related to any disease, related to any problem that you may be facing, it will come out. It's a marak. See, it is 6 is a disease, 7th is a maraka, 8 is a ashtamis. So all three together in the 8th house. So you have to be little take care about your health. Whatever the past suffering is there, all the problems are that they may come forward. So you have to take extra precaution about your health and about your lifespan also. So do take good care of yourself. And it is a ninth, so spiritual inclination, foreign traveling also good, but you have to take precaution. Coming to the Leo ascendant. For Leo ascendant, it is a lot of 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, there is a 6, 7, 8 is a combined. More, it is a 5th lord and the 7th lord is a more powerful. But this yoga is appearing in 6th house. That is why it is not so good. So whatever the past suffering is there, if you have already some disease, that may comes out and gives you suffering. So do lot of medication and meditation. You may be face the people who may gives you lot of challenges, because it's the 7th lord in 6th house. So you may face some hardship, enmity, conspiracy also. So you have to take little care. And being 8th lord also in the 6th house, it's a, although it is a Viparita Rajyog, but it may be gives your fear some fuel. So you should be very careful about these things, about your thing. So this is a very important period of a Jupiter Saturn combination in your 6th house. Not so good for you. Take care. Moving further for the Virgo ascendant, Kanya Rashi or Virgo ascendant or Lagna, this will be the lord of 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So these are going to be a good, because only 6th house the Saturn is there, but Saturn is very powerful. Being a Karak of Saturn, it is a Karak of that house is a 12. You want a change in the house, you want a change in job, going to get a marriage, children related result, this is the best time. So those who are going for the higher education, it is good. Change of place is good. Purchasing, buying new property, it is good. So all it is good. Being a 6th Karaka, it is still good. 6th Lord, being it is seated 12 to it, is also good. So anything into the job, if you are finding some difficulty, that also get resolved. So it is a good for the marriage, children, your house purchasing, and getting the good promotion in job. So for you it is also better. Going further to the Libra. For Libra it will be 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? The Jupiter is a lord of 3 and 6, which is not considered good. And this yoga is also going to happen in 4th house. So whatever the new courage is there, new work is there, you may face some challenges, enemy, but you should continue. Related to the education, higher education, you can take active role in the education, higher education, buying a property, redeveloping your old things. It will be good for the people seeking this. So for you also it is average good, as a Jupiter is not a useful planet for you, but Saturn being a Yoga Karaka, it will give you help, and being it's in own sign 4th house, it will give you pleasure. So anything pending work, house renovation, all things you can do during this period, it will be good for you. And also marriage, children, and this also useful. Thereafter it's a Scorpio ascendant. For Scorpio it is 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? All the good houses are combination. So related to the finance, and this is going to happen in your 3rd house. So new venture, new work, you may concentrate and you will get a best result out of it. So whatever you are seeking for your wealth, whatever you are seeking for your relation to improve, your new venture, short distance traveling, your house, property, luxury, car, and your higher education, everything will be comprised in 3rd house. So you should take the initiative. 3rd house is a part of a upachaya, so you have to create yourself. Nobody will gift you, you have to create it. So that is going to happen during this period. So it will be also good for you as a Scorpio people. Coming to the Sagittarius moon or Sagittarius ascendant, those having a Sagittarius moon and Sagittarius sign will be having 1, 2, 3, 4, the best time. So whatever you want for yourself, you can do. See here the Saturn is lord of 2, 3. So whatever the things you are making for the new venture, financial growth, relation improvement, your own satisfaction. 4th house is your own pleasure house. If you wish to buy, this is the best time. Nothing going to suffer you. Whatever the things that is being delayed earlier, that will give you good result. So this Neech Bhang Rajyog will create a very good result in 2nd house, and you will be benefited financially, socially, economically, luxury wise, physically, material pleasure. All your dreams will come in front of you and you may perform about it. So it's a very good for you. Then Capricorn. For Capricorn people, it start with the 12th house. 12, 1, 2, 3. Now what happens that here also the Jupiter is a lot of 3, 12. It is an average. But this yoga is going to happen in the ascendant itself. This is the best for the people having the Capricorn moon or Capricorn sign. They are going to get this in their own ascendant, and the best time is this time. Being a 12th lord, it will give you a capital investment. Maybe you have to spend for your children, for your relatives, for your new venture, but it will be a capital investment. It is going for the multiple growth in the future. So don't treat this as a, oh, I am spending, I have to spend, I have to do the, it is not loss, it is your future investment. So do that and get the maximum result out of it, and you will be benefit out of it. So go ahead and do that, the best time for you ever. So this is a good for you for the Capricorn people. Going for the Aquarius people. See, for Aquarius people, it is not so good. Being a ascendant lord in the 12th house, 11th lord in 12th house, 12th lord in 12th house, and 2nd lord also in the 12th house. So your ire, your gain is all in the this house, because Jupiter is a lord of 2 and 11. Both are in 12th house. So here also there will be lot of expenditure. You will be physically also drained. You have to put so much efforts. If you are planning for the foreign traveling, foreign settlement, it is a tough time for you. You have to spend something more. It is sometimes called as a loss. So you may face some loss also during this time. So be careful. Only utilize your energy in the positive and constructive way, because ascendant lord, when it is 12th house, you may be end up with no result. So you have to be very cautious and very careful about the ascendant lord in the 12th house, 11th lord in 12th house, 2nd lord also in 12th house. So it will be the work which you are going to go for the benefit or financial growth, you may end up with the negative also. So be careful. Leo and Aquarius, these two will not be going to benefit. So you have to take little care. But you can go for spirituality. That is good for you. Now coming to the Sagittarius, last Pisces, Mean Lagna, Mean Rasi, Pisces moon or Pisces ascendant. This yoga will be a lot of 10, 11, 12 first, right? This is a lot of this. Jupiter here very powerful, being a lot of 1st house and 10th house. It's a very powerful. This yoga is going to happen in your 11th house. So that is also desire fulfillment. 11th lord in 11th house, and 12th lord is also 12 to it. That is also loss is a gain. So for overall your own performance, your new work, venture, name, fame, recognition, job, career, foreign work, export, import, this all will be improving and getting good result. So lot of 10, 11, 12 and 1st house in the 11th house, best time. So you may get a good result by this and getting the very powerful. So by this we have completed all 12 sign also, who will be benefited and who will be getting good result. See, it may be differ from Hindi to English, so you may look see both because I am making 2 videos so that all the audience will get a maximum result out of my video. So herewith I have shared my all views about the Jupiter Saturn Adhyatmic Yoga, and you will be benefit like anything. Just remember all this date which I already mentioned, and you are going to get so beautiful result that you may not be expecting. So I have done my work. Now it is your work. Do like, share and subscribe my channel DM Astrology. Because of, in spite of doing so much good videos, I don't know why I am not getting good good sharing or good views, and also the viewers are also not increasing. It's okay, I am not behind it, but this is just place the bell icon so that you will always get information whenever I do anything. I share my email for consultation, my website also, and my WhatsApp number also in my comment box, so you can directly connect with me and get the maximum result. So for any consultation also, you can come to me. On any confusion, you can write to me, my email, my website, or my WhatsApp number. So I have done my job. Now you listen carefully, apply it, and share with others. This is Adhyatmic Yoga, so that you can also benefit. You may create the good deeds. So do that and get the maximum benefit out of it. That is my wish. All the best. God bless all. You all stay well and enjoying and prospering in your life. God bless you. Namaste. Thank you very much.